We moved out here about a year and a half ago. We both were able to see this home as it was and knew what we could do with it.
I'm Becky, this is my husband Jim, and we're the Webbers. Here in the country where we live, it's very dusty, very windy, a lot of stuff blowing around in the air.
The air has a lot of, nature in it, has a lot of pollen.
I was diagnosed with Sjogren's syndrome, which is an autoimmune disorder. I get a lot of wheezing, coughing, and it just puts me down for a few days. Makes me tired, lethargic, I don't sleep well.
They called us out for an inspection and service. We installed Lennox PureAir System with the UV lights and a MERV 16 filter.
The PureAir is very unique. It is the single best system that you could buy to clean the air in your home. It's going to pull particles that are smaller than what you could even possibly see with the human eye. Bacteria, mold, bioaerosols, all those kind of things that you would be breathing in and you wouldn't know it.
The quality of the air since we've installed the new system is improved immensely.
Because of the air quality in our home and the control over the dust and everything, I have better days to where I'm able to go out and I'm able to do things outside that I wasn't able to do. We have pool parties, we have dinner parties, we play horseshoes. There's just endless things that we do outside.
Having conditioned air is one thing, having good quality conditioned air is everything.